Hello everyone, this is Ashwita and my team members are Shivanarayana, Phoebe, Jitender, and my team admin is Shivanarayana, and we are students of Azure course in Magic Bus. In this training process, we are doing a project. In this project, our admin worked on development side and Jitender worked on deployment side. Me and Phoebe worked on content and description. Now open Azure portal, and in Azure portal, we are using two Azure services. One is storage and second one is containers. And again one AI services, that is custom question and answering chatbot. Now, after creating a static website, we are going to deploy the website in portal storage account. Now, I will show you this process. Go to search bar and search for storage account. Here you can see that. Click on the storage account and click on create. In this basics tab, in the project details, the subscription is free trial only. And for resource group, we should create a new name. I am giving project 123. After giving this resource group name, click on OK. And in the instance details, we should give new storage account name. I'm giving project 1234. Region is Asia Pacific Central India. And then after giving these details, next click on advanced. Scroll down, and in the blob storage, we should enable this box. I'm clicking this box. So after that, click on networking. Here no changes are there. Then go to data protection. Here also there are no changes. So click on encryption. Here also there are no changes. Then go to tags and then again go to review. Here the final validation is running. So click on create. It is deploying. Here you can see that the deployment is in progress. It takes for few seconds. Here you can see that the deployment is successfully done. Then click on go to resource. And in the data management section, we should click on static website. Here it is defaultly selected, so it is disabled. We should click on enable. So after enabling this, we got two options like index document name, and next one is error document path. In the index document name, we should give index document name. I'm giving index.html. And for error document name, I'm giving 404.html. After giving this, we should save this. It is successfully updated the static website settings. So after that, we got two endpoints. One is primary endpoint and next one is secondary endpoint. So now we should copy the primary endpoint URL. I'm copying here. So I successfully copied. Now go for the new tab and paste the primary endpoint URL here. Now open this URL. The page will open like this. Why? Because we have not stored our project files yet. So that's why the page will open like this. Now go to the Microsoft Azure homepage. In the data storage section, we should click on the containers and then select the web option. We should open this. After that, click on upload. Then go to browse for files. Now in this, click on HTML. Click on VS Code. click on project. We should select this all our project files. Now I am selecting. So I selected all our project files. After selecting, click on open. It is checking. So we get a upload option. Then we should click on this upload option. Here you can see that it is uploading all our project log files. So it is successfully uploaded now. So now once refresh here and then go to this page, web content not found. Now again, once again refresh here. Now you can see that our project Green Japs home page is open. This is our project homepage, that is plans will make your life better. And then scroll down. You can see here the steps to write, start your plans off right. And next, these are our different types of products. And here, this is our address. You can contact us with this number, and we accept all our credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and Discover. Now we have to back up. Now we have to use another resource. So for that, I'm going to the data management. In the data management section, we should click on the data protection. In this recovery, we should enable this box, that is enable Azure backup for blocks. And after that, we get a backup vault and backup policy. First, we should give a vault name. So I'm giving vault name. So for vault name, I'm giving storage account name, that is project 1234. After giving this, click on create. It is initializing the deployment. The deployment is in progress. It takes for a few seconds. The deployment is successfully done. Next, click on manage identity. Then click on Azure role assignments. After that, click on add role assignment. After that, in the add role assignment, we should select a scope. For that, I'm selecting storage. The subscription is free trial, and after that, we should select a resource. I'm selecting project 1234, and after that, we should select a role. I'm selecting here owner. After giving these details, we should click on save. It is adding our role assignment. So here you can see that it is successfully added role assignment. Now again go to data protection page. Here in this, we should give a backup policy name. Click on create new. You should give backup policy name. For example, I'm giving greenery. After that, click on schedule plus retention. After that, click on review plus create. We get a create option like this. Now click on this create option. It is creating the backup policy. Here you can see that the operation is in progress. So now you can see that the operation is successfully done. After that, click on save. It is updating the data protection settings and validating the Azure backup settings. It takes for a few seconds. Here you can see it is updating and validating. Now you can see here that it is successfully updated data protection settings and the deployment is succeeded. Now, go to this page. Now again, click on home. Now two resources are completed. Now we should going to create the chartboard. For that, go to search bar and search for language AI services. You can see here that it is already came. So now click on this language AI services. Now click on create option. Now we should select the custom question answering. So select this. After selecting, continue to create your resource. Click on this. In the basics tab, in the project details, the subscription is free trial only. And resource group name, we should create new. So I'm giving project 1234, for example, project 1234. Location is East US only. And name I'm giving project. Pricing tier I'm giving uh, free F0. And in the responsible AI notice, we should click this box. I'm enabling this box. So we should click on this box. In the Azure search region, I want to change the region. So I'm giving Central US. So after giving these details, click on next. Again, click on next because there are no changes. So next, click this. And after that, click on review plus create. Here you can see that the final validation is running. The page will open like this. Now in the basics tab, the project details, coming to the project details, subscription is free trial only. And coming to the resource group, I'm giving project 1234. Now in the instant details, the region is East US only. And for the name, I'm giving project 12345. And coming to the pricing tier, I'm giving free F0. Now in the custom question answering, in the Azure search region, I'm giving the region East Asia. And in the Azure search pricing tier, I'm giving standard S3. Standard S3. After that, we should enable this box in the responsible AI notice. After that, click on next. And after that, here there are no changes. So after that, click on next. After that, click on next. Again, click on review plus create. Here the final validation is running. You can see here. Now we get a create option like this. Click on create. Here it is initializing the deployment. The deployment is in progress. It takes for a few seconds. Now you can see here that the deployment is succeeded. Now then go to resource group, click on this. And after that, click on project 12345 language AI services. Now come to here, language studio, click on this. Now here, Azure directory is default directory and the Azure subscription is I'm selecting free trial only and the resource type is language only. And next coming to the resource name, I'm selecting greenery, which I have given before. Now click on done. Now again click on create new. So come to the third option, that is custom question answering. Here we should select the language for all projects. I'm selecting English. Then click on next. Here we should give our project name. I'm giving greenery. And next project description is eco-friendly. After giving that, here default answer when no answer is written means when customer asks any question, if that question is not there in our list, it is shown like this, that is no answer found. Then click on next. After that, click on create project. It is loading. So here you can see that the project completed and it is loaded successfully. Now then go to add source. In that select files, click on add file and give source name. I'm giving plan. And after that, we should choose file. In that, go to downloads. Click on this project. After selecting, click on open. Click on add all. It is adding sources. It takes for a few seconds. Now you can see that we successfully added sources. Now go to, click on this. Now these are the questions. What is green Japs? And what types of plants do you sell? And do you sell seeds and gardening supplies? And these are the different types of questions. Now go to this deploy knowledge base. Now click on deploy. Now click on deploy. The deployment is in progress. It takes for a couple of minutes. It is successfully deployed. Now we got a 2 steps. First step is read the documentation to learn more about creating bots. And next step is go to Azure to create a bot. Now I'm going to create a bot. So click on create a bot. Now the page will open like this. So in the basics tab, the project details, the subscription is free trial. And now we should give resource group name. I'm giving project 1234. Now in the instant details, the location is Asia Pacific Central India. And now the Azure bot is greenery-bot. Now click on next. And in the web app, coming to the app service plan, the creation type we should enable create new app service plan. And then for the language resource key, we should go to deploy knowledge base page. And then coming to the settings option, go to resources. Now we should copy the resource key. I'm copying this language resource key. Now come to the custom deployment page. Paste that language resource key here. I pasted that language resource key. Now click on review plus create. Click on create. It is initializing the deployment. The deployment is in progress. It takes for a few seconds. Now you can see that the deployment is successfully done. Now go to resource group. Now go to this. Once refresh here. Now click on this greenery bot. Now click on channels in the settings option. Now click on scroll down and now enable this Microsoft Teams. Now click on this box and again click on agree option. Now click on apply. Now it is saving the Microsoft Teams channel. It takes for few moments. So it is enabled successfully. Now go to, once close this and again. Now the health status is all are healthy. Now go to web chat. Click on this. Now click on default size. Now we should copy the embedded code. Now go to Microsoft Azure homepage and go to home. In this, we should click on storage account and go to the storage data storage. Click on containers. Click on web and go to chatbot HTML. Open this and click on edit option and copy this. After delete this iframe. Copy this key, secret key. Paste the secret key here. After that, save this. Successfully saved. Now go to index.html. Now go to index.html page. In that, we added a nav tag for our chatbot. Here you can see that. And we saved. Go to static website. In that, copy the primary endpoint URL. Now go to new tab and paste the URL. Now go to chatbot tab. Now it's working. For example, I'm saying hi. So our chatbot is working. Now you can see that the response is, hello, welcome to Green Japs. Hello, welcome to Green Japs. How can I assist you? Now I'm giving another question. What is Green Japs? So our chatbot is working perfectly, and this is our whole project, and we have learned that how to deploy our project in Azure portal. So thanks for watching the video.